MIKUNI Corporation BS36SS carburettor rebuild for my Suzuki. Right, finally I received some post. So I got some needles in here, 5ez61s. Right, so these ones are replacement needles. They have a different number. They're like Y-301, but they are replacement for 5ez61. They do look quite even better in a way because they're coated with a different material than these ones, and you can tell how much my ones are scored. And it's apparently a common thing for these type of needles to happen there. So let's compare one with another one. Perfect, look at that, love it. Let's get them out of the bag. Look at that. Nice. Now the setting on those needles was on the middle groove, so that's what I'm gonna do with these ones. There you go, clicked in. With every single one. Now when my needles are ready, just got to prepare them with the washers. So this white one goes under, and this orange one goes on the top, just like that. Now when I have 4 needles ready, dropping a needle. MIKUNI Corporation, made in Japan. There's a stamp for it. Carburettor, which is BST36SS.